But our top story that's breaking at this moment, US President Donald Trump has declared a 25% tariff on India from the 1st of August. That's right. Trump's tariffs, which come into effect in 48 hours, include not just tariffs but penalties. Trump says India is the largest buyer of energy from Russia at a time when Russia is at war with Ukraine. The Modi government says it's studying the implications of the US tariffs. The government says we'll take all steps to secure our national interests, though no official statement has come. Government says they are still committed to concluding a fair trade deal with the United States. Remember, it was August 1 that was seen as the deadline for an interim trade deal, but that may not quite happen with this dramatic announcement by Donald Trump. Is just Donald Trump playing hard? Karishma Asudani of Business Today joins us. Karishma, how is India reacting to this news? Was this something they expected, or have they been caught a little off guard?
Rajdeep, I think they were prepared, because I remember when I was interacting a week ago with the government officials, interestingly, somebody from the Trade Ministry highlighted and told me that if you do a check of India's export basket to the US, you will see, keeping pharmaceuticals aside, there is not much to lose, because the other sectors, the kind of exports we do are minimum when compared to that of pharmaceuticals. So that did give me some kind of hint that actually India was preparing for this day to come. Of course, it is not something that they were wanting to come, and that is why they were trying to put in a lot of negotiations. 5 rounds of negotiations were held by India's chief negotiator in Washington, and of course Trade Minister Piyush Goyal was in Washington a couple of times. Prime Minister Modi also wanting to strike a deal. Surprising that the first mover advantage and the friendly terms between India and Washington could not result in India's favor, and so much so that now we are in fact behind a lot of countries, including that of Vietnam, who was our competitor with the whole China plus one policy, and this is going to put us on a back burner at least for some time, until and unless the September or October BTA pulls off really well and Donald Trump decides to rest the case when it comes to his friendship with us.
Karishma Asudani, for giving us a sense of how India is looking at this announcement by Trump. Thank you very much for joining me here at the top of the news.